Can you use Claude to design a beautiful landing page without being a designer and then use that HTML to create a fully functional funnel inside your Systemy.io? That's what I will be testing today. I will be using Claude Design to create the landing page and Claude Chat for creating the workflows, and then adding all of that into Systemy.io to create a fully functional funnel that you can actually use within your business. So let's see how it comes together. Okay, so for Claude Design to work, you do need a paid plan of Claude. So first sign up for that if you haven't signed up for it. After signing up, you will come here in this dashboard, and at the bottom left, you will see this design. Simply come here and click. You will see this design dashboard open. To begin any kind of design, you would want to tell Claude what exactly is your brand about, your fonts, your colors, your tone, your messaging, your audience, your niche, what all your offers are, so that it can create a design which is not very generic. So for that to happen, you have to click here in plus and come here in design system, and then plus, create here, and then add everything about the company name, some blurb about it, like what exactly your company is all about. And you can add your fonts, logos, assets over here, your own images, any testimonials or any videos that you have that you would be using in this particular landing page. And after that, you will come here in this, because I have already created it once, so I'm not creating it again. But for you to begin with, you have to create a design system. It's like a branding board. And for Claude to actually create a design which is not very generic, there is one skill, that is front end design skill. It is uploaded on GitHub. I have already uploaded it in my Claude, so I'm not doing that again. But for you, I will be giving you the link in the description. So go on that link and simply download it. I'll show you here, like it is this skill. Type in the Google front end Claude front end design skill. So you will land on this page and simply just download this raw file, and then you will be able to use that in your Claude design. So again, I will take an example of a productivity coach, and she is basically running a 7-day productivity challenge. So let's see what exactly Claude Design can do for us. We already have a design system in place and front-end design skills. So let's give it a prompt. Now, before beginning our design, we want to switch to this wireframe to save our tokens. First, we want to get our wireframe, which is basically a very empty structure of a website. We want to get that right, and after getting that right, we want to shift to the design to save our tokens. So I'll click over here in wireframes, and then I will paste the prompt. So wireframe the screens for an online female productivity coach. She wants to launch a free 7-day productivity challenge for 9 to 5 corporate women, age above 40, and who are struggling to juggle all the multitask they are supposed to do and also perform their best in office. I want 5 sections, that is one header, second is who is this for, 3 is why they should join, 4 is 3 testimonials, 5th is what will they miss, like an urgency or scarcity section. So let's see what it comes up with. So as you can see that it has given us 5 wireframe options, right? This is 1A, 1B, then 1C, 1D, 1E. So we can choose from here which of the sections we like, or if you like the whole entire wireframe, you can choose that also. So let's go with, I think I'll choose okay, I think I'll choose this 1A only. I don't want this header part, so I'll remove it. I can do edits from here only, right? So I'll just delete it here. I want the big heading at the top, and who is this for, why join, and then testimonials. If I want okay, let's go with this for the sake of this video. Let's go with this option only, right? And I'll save this because I've deleted one section. I'll choose this only. I want to go with 1A. I'm sending this to Claude. Let's see what it is building now. We have chosen one of the wireframe. Okay, so this is looking pretty good, but I don't like this header section. This is very plain. Otherwise, this is fine. The heading and all this columns it has done. This is also done. The shadows and all the slight color changes, the subtle color changes. It is looking nice, but I don't like this part. Can you add image in the header on right side? I hope now it gets right. Yes, this is right. So I'm looking for this. I wanted an image placeholder. Now, if you are happy with this framework, you can simply share it with Claude Code for it to give you the HTML. So come here at the top right, you will see this share button and more formats and apps, Claude Code. Just send it to it. Web session, start the session. So this will send the code to the Claude Code and you can get the entire HTML, which you will be able to paste in Systeme. Now, as you can see here that Claude has access to our Claude Design file, but it doesn't know what exactly to do, right? It doesn't know on its own that we have to paste all this in Systeme and use it as a design. So it is asking us what exactly it should do now. Now to begin anything, we have to make sure that we have connected the Systeme and Claude via MCP. And if you haven't done that, please watch my another video. I will be linking that over here, and watch it and link your Systeme and Claude so that Claude can enter into your Systeme account and can check what exactly is there and do some actions. So I will tell Claude here that I want to use this design as an HTML code in Systeme and make the buttons clickable. So the pop-up form created in Systeme appears if any button is clicked. That's what I want to do. I want to basically use that design in my Systeme account, and if any of the button is clicked, then I want the pop-up form to appear so that if anyone is visiting that page, they can enter the details and our workflow can begin. So let's see what exactly Claude do now. The next is the hero section has an image placeholder. What should I do with it? Keep as style placeholder, use a stock. Okay, use a stock image, that is fine for us. CTA buttons aren't wired to any in the design. What should they do? Static, non-functional, scroll, anchor to a sign up, link to an external. Other, I will basically say I will be creating a pop-up form in Systeme editor. I want that to be linked to those buttons. Let's see. So let's see what exactly is Claude doing, because I have connected my Claude with Systeme, so it can actually go in my Systeme account and see what all funnels are there and what all workflows are there. So I paused this video because it took around like 3 to 4 minutes, and Claude has given us this custom HTML. We will simply just download it and open it in some text editor so that we can copy paste the code. So I've got the HTML code now, and now I will go into the Systeme account and add that HTML code. So let's see, product activity challenge, simple, build an audience and save, and come here and then opt in. Let's start with a scratch in page, save. Yes, come here. Then I'll use the HTML element and let's see what design it gives us. Okay, so the code is not coming as valid. Let's go into the Claude, and the code is not working in HTML in Systeme. Okay, so it is saying that MCP server is now available. Okay, let me put actually. I'm allowing Claude to access my Systeme. So now Claude took some time and did some work, and again given me a new HTML which I have been downloading and again pasting it in Systeme. Let's see how it works now. So I'll just click it and download it. So let's see if this code works now or not. Okay, this code is working fine completely, and let's see, let's save it and then see in the, okay, this part is not working, but at least we have got somewhere, and it's the buttons are also not working. So I'll do one thing. I'll create a pop-up here only. I'll create this and just, okay, I'll duplicate this, and for the first I'll select first name and sign up for the productivity challenge. You can design it according to your brand over here, and now we will just link this pop-up. We will tell Claude to link this pop-up with all the buttons. We will save it, and I'll add a button also to test. I'll add a button and submit show pop-up. This pop-up will appear, and I'll save it. I'll check if that is working or not. Okay, that has to stop. Like I have to no, it should not open automatically. It should have a close button, and then I'll save it. I've added a test button also so that I can tell Claude. Okay, skip. The HTML code is working. I want to add the pop-up now with ID. I have added a button also at the bottom. Can you link all the buttons with this pop-up and make the me button invisible? So the Claude has given me the updated HTML wherein the buttons should work, and when clicked they should open up the pop-up. So let's see if it's working. I'll just download it and I will paste the updated HTML here. Just save it and let's see if it's working. I'll save it again. No, it's not working. Let me see if it has 3. Let me get the HTML again. I'll copy paste it again. Let's save it. No, it's not working. This thing is also not hidden. So let me just go into the Claude and tell it that it is not working. This HTML code is not working. Original button is also visible. Everything is right, but photo in the header section is not there. Okay, so it is asking me to right click the visible native button on your live page, inspect, copy the highlighted button element which paste it to me, then I'll tell you. Okay, so I'll just do that. And what exactly is this? Instead of broken. Okay, so I'll go into the page and I'll click inspect. I'll simply give it a screenshot. That is better. I'll simply give it a screenshot. That's better. So right now Claude Code has given me an updated HTML, and let's see if it is working. I'll download it and get the code pasted in systeme.io. So let's see if it is working. Okay, that's amazing. This is working now. So you can see that if I click, that pop-up is coming. Okay, and that the own native systeme button is invisible. So finally we have a HTML code, and if you want to change any of this, the design and the image, you can go into the Claude Code and give it the real assets that you want to add over there, and you will have a functional landing page. You can also go into the Claude chat and tell it to basically create a workflow for the productivity funnel, and you will have the funnel ready, which you can use and send it to people for them to basically sign up for the productivity challenge. So that's it for this video. And please comment if you find this useful, and see you in the next one.